Good morning, everyone. Myself is Pal Singh, Assistant Professor in Press Law College, Greater Noida. Today is my class, BLLB 4th semester, subject Political Science, Unit 5, Topic 3rd, Communalism. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे यूनिट 5 के थर्ड टॉपिक कम्युनलिज्म साम्यवाद के बारे में कि साम्यवाद किसे कहते हैं या कम्युनलिज्म क्या है। तो सबसे पहले साम्यवाद को हम समझते हैं सामान्य भाषा में कि साम्यवाद एक ऐसी शासन व्यवस्था है जिसमें हर व्यक्ति समान होता है। यह एक वर्ग विहीन समाज होता है। उत्पादन के साधनों पर किसी व्यक्ति विशेष का अधिकार न होकर सामुदायिक नियंत्रण होता है। इस व्यवस्था में उत्पादन के साधनों पर व्यक्तिगत अधिकार होता है। इसके जनक साम्यवाद के जनक हैं कार्ल मार्क्स, जिनका जन्म 5 मई 1818 को हुआ। कम्युनिस्ट एक ऐसी राजनीतिक और आर्थिक सिद्धांत है जो सरकार की ऐसी प्रणाली की वकालत करता है जहां सभी संपत्ति जनता और सरकार के स्वामित्व में हो। जनता और सरकार के स्वामित्व में हो। अब हम समझेंगे कम्युनलिज्म, अबाउट द कम्युनलिज्म स्टेप बाय स्टेप। कि पॉइंट 1 है कि कम्युनलिज्म इन ए ब्रॉड सेंस means a strong attachment to one's own community. In popular discourse in India, it is understood as unhealthy attachment to one's own religion. Second point, it is an ideology that in order to unify the community suppresses distinctions within the community and impresses the essential unity of the community against other communities. Next point, in this way it promotes the belief in orthodox tenets and principles, intolerance and hatred of other religions, and thus divides the society. Next point, a positive aspect of communalism stand for the affinity of an individual towards his own community, involving efforts for the social and economic upliftment of his community. Next point, however, in negative connotation, it is an ideology with emphasis the separate identity of a religious group in relation to other groups with a tendency to promote its own interest at the expense of the others. नेक्स्ट टाइटल है कम्युनलिज्म इन इंडिया कि भारत में साम्यवाद। पॉइंट 1 कि कम्युनलिज्म एज ए पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफी हैज़ इट्स रूट्स इन द रिलीजियस एंड कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है इट हैज़ बीन यूज्ड एज ए पॉलिटिकल प्रोपेगेंडा टूल्स to create divide, differences and tension between the communities on the basis of religious and ethnic identity, leading to communal hatred and violence. In ancient Indian society, people of different faith coexisted peacefully. Next point, Buddha was perhaps the first Indian prophet who gave the concept of secularism. Buddha was perhaps the first Indian prophet who gave the concept of secularism. Next point, meanwhile, kings like Ashok followed a policy of peace and religious tolerance. Medieval India witnessed the arrival of Islam in India, marked by occasional occurrences of violence such as Muhammad Ghazni destruction of Hindu temples and Muhammad of Ghori's attack on Hindus, Jains and Buddhist. Next point है कि rulers like Akbar and Sher Shah Suri followed the religious policy of toleration towards different cultures and tradition, precised across country और नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है कि हाउएवर सम sectarian rulers like Aurangzeb were among the least tolerant towards other religious practices. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है कि रीज़न बिहाइंड कम्युनलिज्म कि द मेजर फैक्टर द कंट्रीब्यूटेड टुवार्ड्स द emergence and growth of colonialism in modern India involves. Point first कि British imperialism and their policy of divide and rule. Next point disappointment and disaffection among young and aspiring middle class youth caused by stagnant agriculture, absence of modern industrial development and inadequate employment opportunities which is being exploited by political opportunities. Next point is Hindu and Muslim revivalist movements. Next point is separatism and isolation among Muslims. Next point is rise of communal and fundamentalist parties. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है कि मेजर इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ कम्युनल वायलेंस इन इंडिया कि कम्युनल वायलेंस इज ए फेनोमेन वेयर पीपल बिलोंगिंग इन टू डिफरेंट रिलीजियस कम्युनिटीज मोबिलाइज एंड अटैक ईच अदर with feelings of hatred and enmity. Next point is the partition of India witnessed mass bloodshed and violence that continued up to 1949. Next point है कि in September 1969 riots in Ahmedabad shocked the conscience of the nation. The apparent cause was the Jansangh passing a resolution on Indian session of Muslims to show its intense opposition to Indira Gandhi's leftward thrust. Next point in April 1974 violence occurred in the Chawal or tenement in the Worli neighborhood of Mumbai after the police attempt to disperse a rally of the Dalit Panthers that had turned violent and injured by clashes with the Shiv Sena. Next point is the Shahbano controversy in 1985 and the Babri Masjid Ram Janambhoomi. Controversy became powerful tools for intensifying communalism in the 80s. The communal violence touched its apogee in December 1992 when the Babri Masjid was demolished by right-wing parties. In 2002, Gujarat witnessed communal riots when violence was triggered by burning of a train in Godhra. Next point in May 2006 riots occurred in Godhra due to the municipal council's decision to remove the Dargah Sharif of Sayyid Chishti Rishuddin, a medieval Sufi sant. Next point in September 2013 Uttar Pradesh witnessed the worst violence in recent history with clashes between the Hindu and Muslim communities in Muzaffarnagar district. Since 2015, mob lynching is quite prevalent in India as near 90 people have been killed. It can be termed as manufactured communal violence as through the use of social media and remover society is polarized along religious lines. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है टाइटल है कि फैक्टर्स रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कम्युनल वायलेंस, कि फैक्टर साम्यवाद को भड़काने के लिए कौन से तत्व जिम्मेदार हैं। फैक्टर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कम्युनल वायलेंस, फर्स्ट पॉइंट है कि इकोनॉमिक कॉजेज, uneven development, class divisions, poverty and unemployment aggravates insecurity in the common man, which make them vulnerable to political manipulation. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है कि हिस्ट्री ऑफ कम्युनल रियोट्स की probability of recurrence of communal riots in a town where communal riot have already taken place once or twice is stronger than in a town when such riots have never occurred. Next point है कि politics of appeasement prompted by political consideration and guided by their vested interest, political parties take decisions which promote communal violence. Isolation and economic backwardness of Muslim community. The failure to adopt the scientific and technological education and thus insufficient representation in the public service, industry and trade etc. has led to the feeling of relative deprivation among Muslims. Next point है कि administrative failures, a weak law and order is one of the cause of communal violence. Role of media, it is often accused of sensationalism and disseminates rumors as news, which sometimes resulted into further tension and riots between two rival religious groups. Social media has also emerged as a powerful medium to spread messages relating to communal tension or riot in any part of the country. इसी के साथ measures to deal with communalism. Measures to deal with communalism टाइटल है कि देयर इज नीड टू रिफॉर्म इन प्रेजेंट क्रिमिनल जस्टिस सिस्टम, स्पीडी ट्रायल एंड एडुकेट compensation to the victims may act as deterrent. Codified guidelines for the administration, specialized training for the police force to handle communal riots, and setting up special investigating and prosecuting agencies can help in damping major communal disagreements. Disgruntlement. Government can adopt models followed by countries like Malaysia that has developed early warning indicators to prevent racial clashes. Also the Hong Kong model of combating communalism by setting up a race relation unit to promote racial harmony and facilitate integration of ethnic minorities can be emulated by India. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है कि गवर्नमेंट कैन इंकरेज एंड सपोर्ट सिविल सोसाइटी एंड NGO टू रन projects that help create communal awareness, build stronger community relation and cultivating values of communal harmony in next generation. A proactive approach by National Foundation for Communal Harmony (NFCH), the body responsible for promoting communal harmony, is needed. A legislation is required to curb the communal violence, prevention, control, and rehabilitation of victims bill 2005 must be enacted soon. इसी के साथ ये क्लास समाप्त होती है. ओके, गुड बाय.